In today's video, I'll teach you how to change shipping address in Temu. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the shipping address, for that what you have to do is go to the checkout interface. So what you have to do is simply go to the cart, click on the cart icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see your cart. Make sure you've added the item to the cart. Now you'll be able to see all the items that you've added over here. After you do that, click on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface of Temu. From the checkout interface, you'll be able to change the shipping address. You can see over here at top, you'll be able to find this section for shipping address. Right now, this particular shipping address is selected for me. So if you want to change it, right over here, you'll be able to find this option for change address. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the address. You can simply select another existing shipping address if you want. Or if you want to add the new address, click on this option, add a new address that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the new address. All you have to do is select the country or region, enter the first name, last name and address over here. First of all, make sure to select the country or region of your choice. Now after you do that, make sure to enter the first name. Now what you have to do is enter the last name. Now what you have to do is simply search for the address. If you want to enter the address manually, you can also click on this option, enter address manually. Otherwise, you can simply click on the search bar. After that, you can simply search for the address using the postcode, street or address. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular address will be selected. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. After you do that, click on this option, save and use, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your shipping address will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the shipping address. So that is how you change shipping address in Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.